Is Jaane Jaan just another Bollywood thriller that's average at best? Or did the director of Kahani and Badla Sujoy Ghosh live up to his reputation? Is Kareena Kapoor Khan's digital debut worth recommending? Or is it just another Bollywood A-list star trying her luck in the OTT space with a mediocre project? Well, I watched the new Netflix release Sujoy Ghosh's directorial Jaane Jaan, and in this video I am going to share my honest opinion about the film and help you decide if this movie is worth your time or not. So without wasting any more time, I am Ekanta, you are watching Drunken Movies. Let's start the video. Trailer of the movie did not give away much, and there wasn't much promotional material released before the movie release. A smart strategy for a thriller like this. So I won't be revealing too many plot details to avoid spoiler. The movie revolves around a single mother named Maya, portrayed by Kareena Kapoor Khan, who lives with her 13-year-old daughter in Kalimpong, in a cafe called Tiffin. Her neighbor Naren, played by Jaideep Alawat, is a socially awkward yet brilliant maths teacher. Maya is a dedicated workaholic woman whose life primarily revolves around her daughter. Maya's life takes a dark turn when someone evil from her past resurfaces in her life, triggering a chain of unfortunate events that ultimately leads to a murder, with Naren getting involved in the situation. Naren, who has a crush on her neighbor Maya, lacks the courage to express her feelings but decides to help her in this dire situation. Inspector Karan, portrayed by Vijay Verma, takes on the case and embarks on the mission to catch the killer and uncover the motive behind the murder. The entire narrative pivots around these central characters. Will Karan catch the killer, or will Maya and Naren manages to escape? This is the essence of this thriller and the mystery it unravels. Notably, the film is an official Hindi adaptation of Eigo Higashino's 2005 Japanese novel The Devotion of Suspect X. As I haven't read the novel, I cannot provide insights on how faithfully the filmmakers have adapted it. Therefore, my review is solely based on the film I watched. Now moving on to the movie's strength, I believe it excels in cinematography, editing and acting. Cinematography beautifully captures the natural splendor of Kalimpong, and the bluish dark color palette adds a mystic and thrilling vibe that works in the film's favor. When it comes to editing, the scene transitions and the overall rhythm of the film, by which I refer to the flow of the narrative, were executed flawlessly. The movie runs for just over 2 hours and there is no unnecessary drama or scenes that don't contribute to the story's development. Every scene serves a purpose and is relevant to the plot. What's particularly noteworthy is the handling of a few scenes where the past and present intertwine, playing out simultaneously. The standout aspect of this crime thriller is undoubtedly the acting. In any good thriller, the performances should shine, and in this case, the casting is spot on. Kareena Kapoor Khan, Jaideep Alawat and Vijay Verma deliver exceptional performances. It's hard to pick one standout actor because all three excel in their roles. The dialogues, the dialogue delivery and the character development are perfectly executed. While watching the film, it's clear that the filmmaker drew inspiration from various sources. For instance, Jaideep's character initially channels a Sherlock Holmes vibe, deducting details about a crime scene just by observing it, and his living space mirrored that of Sherlock's, with books piled everywhere, leaving barely enough room to sit, and he even plays chess by himself, just like Sherlock. In Vijay's role as Karan, you can spot a technique similar to what we have seen in famous crime drama Hannibal. In that series, there is a character named Will Graham, played by Hugh Dancy, who does something quite similar. He observes a crime scene and immerses himself in reenacting them. But these elements don't detract from the film's unique identity. Furthermore, Vijay's character surprises with his martial arts and kung fu skills. His movements indicates that he dedicated significant effort in mastering these techniques for his role. Such commitment deserves appreciation and adds depth to his character. Now talking about Kareena, I feel time and again she has consistently shown her brilliance as an actor. Even at this stage of her career, when some might say she is past her prime, her choice of roles is commendable. I believe her best work is yet to come. Out of all the different characters she has played over the years, I believe her portrayal of a mother on screen stands out as her most compelling and authentic role. In conclusion, Jaane Jaan is a gripping thriller that avoids unnecessary songs or melodrama. With a runtime just over 2 hours, it keeps you engaged throughout. Plot twists and the final act that unveils the mystery are highly satisfying. The movie is worth your time, especially if you enjoy thrillers or crime dramas. There are a few explicit or graphic scenes, so be cautious if you are sensitive to such content. Please watch the film and share your thoughts in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more such content. As a new channel, I greatly appreciate your support. Thank you for watching and peace out.